Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best fall tissue paper on the market, Larcenciel's 70 Sheets Fall Tissue Paper in a beautiful orange color, designed specifically for the autumn season. If you're looking to add a warm, festive touch to your gift wrapping this fall, this product might just be exactly what you need. First off, the pack includes 70 sheets of tissue paper, each measuring about 19.7 by 13.8 inches, giving you plenty of material to wrap gifts of various sizes or to create unique craft projects. What makes this tissue paper stand out is its charming fall-themed design. The sheets come in 7 different styles, with 10 sheets per style. You'll find delicate prints featuring pumpkins, maple leaves, polka dots, and plaid patterns. This variety not only enhances the look of your gifts but also captures the cozy, vibrant spirit of the autumn harvest, Halloween, and Thanksgiving celebrations. One detail that sets this tissue paper apart from many others is the subtle, pleasant fragrance it emits. Unlike typical tissue papers that sometimes have an overpowering chemical smell, Larcenciel's tissue paper is lightly scented to create a welcoming and joyful unwrapping experience. It's a thoughtful touch that elevates your gift presentation and makes the entire giving moment feel special. The size of the sheets is generous, providing ample surface area to wrap small to medium-sized items or to line gift bags and boxes beautifully. The paper itself is lightweight and easy to fold, yet it feels durable enough to hold its shape without tearing too easily. Plus, it's made from high-quality materials that are recyclable, so you can feel good about using it while staying eco-conscious. This tissue paper is not just functional, it's also versatile. You can use it for more than just wrapping gifts. It's perfect for DIY pom-poms, floral arrangements, party decorations, and craft projects that celebrate the splendor of fall. The vibrant orange color and seasonal patterns bring warmth and charm to any setting, helping you create a festive atmosphere that's perfect for autumn parties and gatherings. If you're planning to celebrate the fall holidays or just want to add a seasonal flair to your gift giving, this Larcenciel fall tissue paper offers both style and practicality. It embodies the essence of the season, making your present stand out with elegance and a touch of nature-inspired beauty. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want more honest insights into products that can elevate your everyday experiences, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and happy fall wrapping!